Welcome to our tutorial on how to share a rotated photo on WhatsApp status with the latest updates. Let's explore the step-by-step process to add a creatively rotated photo to your WhatsApp status. To get started, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Navigate to the Updates section and then tap on My Status to begin adding a new status update. Select the photo you wish to share from your gallery or choose to capture a new one. Before posting your status update, you have the option to edit the photo by utilizing the crop and rotate tools to adjust its orientation to your liking. Once you have rotated the photo as desired and are satisfied with the result, proceed by tapping the Send button to share it on your status. By following these easy-to-follow steps, you can enhance your WhatsApp status by incorporating creatively rotated photos, adding a unique touch to your updates. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy sharing your rotated photos on WhatsApp status to engage with your contacts in a fresh and creative way.